Hey, this is Eve, Bitcoin Kindergarten, also the author of Crypto Assets and DeFi Tracker. So I just wanted to get on a call with a few of my friends. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, bell button, and all, and smash the likes. Make a comment, ask me any question you want in the live stream. You can call in. My number is 615-486-4557. So I just want to tell you a few quick things about Bitcoin. One is there's still time to buy Bitcoin. I have a feeling that today is going to hit an all-time high. It's just my feeling. And I do think then I saw something, technical indicators might be suggesting that, but I haven't checked. All right, I already just went up a whole bunch. Because the reason why I know it, because I understand Bitcoin, I've been following a lot. Me and Bitcoin are very intimate friends. So I do think today it's going to shoot up. So here's how you buy it. It's so easy. Go on Coinbase. There's my link is right there. If you don't trust me, of course, Google before you just Google is Coinbase legit, or whatever. But then use my link because you'll get free stuff. And then I will also get $10 worth of crypto. And that will help me. That will help you. So, don't ever buy anything before you've investigated. Is it legit? Because there's so many scammers out there. And if you get really into crypto, don't tell a lot of people because they will come out of the woodwork. Okay. All you have to do is go buy some Bitcoin. When you go on Coinbase, you have to give it's called KYC. You have to give your name, your address, your correct information, and you have to link your bank account and or debit card. This is in the United States. It's the same in Europe. Some countries, you don't even have to give all of that information out, but we do here in the US. But it's also completely insured. So if something goes wrong, it's just like a bank. This money is insured. You will get your money back. That is not true of, I don't know if it's true of any other exchange that you'll completely get your money back. Although most, there have been a lot of hackings in the early days. And most exchanges will always give their money back. But so just get some Bitcoin. Go on there. It's also called BTC Bitcoin. It's the same name. So you go on there and then you click buy. And then you have to deposit money first. You go to your portfolio. I should show on my phone. You don't have to also use the app. You can also do Bitcoin, Coinbase.com. But I find my phone is safer even than my computer. I did get hacked last year. Some scam. So there's Coinbase. It's a super simple app. That's why I like it. Even though if you go and you ask people in crypto, they will tell you other apps because their minds think in tons of numbers and it's easy for them. But I like this app. It's so simple. And you just hit Bitcoin. There it is. You see the charts going up. That's why I know it's going up because it was going up and then it goes like dips and goes sideways. When it goes sideways after a while, it's very stable. I think it's going to go up because there's so much insanity in the market with like Elon Musk changing his Twitter to Bitcoin and just the crypto is exploding. So that's why I know it's going sideways for a while, which is consolidating. Everyone's taking a breather because we had a huge bull run. I guess it was a month and a half ago now. So you just hit the little button that says trade and then you hit buy. And then it says how much to buy. And then you click. I always screenshot my purchases just for anywhere. So before that, though, you have to have money in your account. So you have to go to your portfolio, which is like the second button. And then you hit US dollar. And then you hit deposit. Bank deposit, wire transfer. New bank deposit. Ooh. Oh, I have my LLC bank in here. I forgot. Interesting. So, yeah. Let's say how much money? $50. I mean, I've literally bought, I think on Coinbase, the lowest might be $20. It might be lower, but you have to pay like a 99-cent fee. Preview deposit, and then you buy it. Boom, that's it. The most important thing in crypto is, and you know what I would suggest? I have a friend who's like, I have $200. What should I do? And I'm like, get 160 of Bitcoin and 40 of Ethereum, because Ethereum is as solid a coin, a product as Bitcoin, and it's probably has a chance of even going exponentially higher. So you could potentially get more money on that investment. But everybody needs Bitcoin. If you want to have a secure financial future and you're not already like a billionaire, you really need some Bitcoin. That's what everyone's doing now. That's it. That's all you do. And the most important thing is not to sell if the market crashes or goes low. Like I have all friends like, oh, it crashed, and I thought it crashed. Oh, that's how Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is volatile. It moves, it goes up, it goes down. So the only important thing is you buy it and you hold it. Don't ever sell it. It's for 12, 13 years, it's like going straight up. Many people are expecting it to go to $100,000 this year. Right now, it's at $38,000 for one Bitcoin. Don't be like, oh, that's so expensive, I can't buy it. You just buy $20 worth. It's like having land in Malibu. If you have a little tiny piece of land in Malibu, in California, that's great. If you have a huge piece in like a dry, northern Arizona where there's like nothing but rattlesnakes, you could have a huge piece of land for the same price, but your Malibu place is going to be a much better investment because the resale value is going to be so huge because it's only going up. So that's what Bitcoin is. It is prime real estate, and you want to get some. So it's amazing, that in 2021, anyone can get this. That's all I'm going to say. Get some Ethereum too, and it's also called ETH. You want to go to Robinhood, get some Dogecoin, why not? It's like people aren't really getting it on Robinhood right now. I have other videos. It's better to get it on Binance, but that's if you're good with numbers and charts and stuff like that. If you're not, you can get it on Robinhood. It's just, you might not be able to sell it exactly when you want to. So it could be an issue. It was an issue for me. It wasn't a huge issue for a lot of people. So I don't put thousands on it, but if you're putting, $10 or $100, or maybe for you $1,000 is like $10, like get some on Robinhood. It's not gonna go wrong. The thing is, just don't sell low. That's how people lose money in the market. Nobody else loses money. I was like, how can people even lose money? I've never lost a dime in crypto. Maybe a couple little projects, but super high risk things that I invested in. But it was like $100 that I lost. I mean, it was nothing. And I'm still holding on to it. It can still go up. Probably in like 2 years, those companies can go up. But that's a completely different story. High risk, low cap coins. I do consulting. You can hire me for $110 an hour. I will explain everything to you. I will walk you through it. And I will point you in the direction of people who are much more knowledgeable than me. If you're in finance or you run a huge corporation or something, I know. I've been in crypto over 3.5 years, so I know the ecosystem. I know who's doing what. I know who knows what, and I know what's going on. So that's all I'm going to say. I have an appointment. Hit the subscribe, the bell button, and the like. That way you'll get notifications. And you can come on, and you can ask me any question you want. You can call in, or you can type in your question. No question is too simple or too stupid. Like, literally, when I got crypto, I had people walk me through how to use Binance. Like, that was super hard for me, or how to use even Coinbase. That's why I do the kindergarten, because I was that person that needed to really get a lot of different explanations in different ways. And I've studied in the academy, so I understand blockchain, this, that, the other, but you don't need to understand that in order to get it. Just one little tip. Here's how human beings are, right? If you go be like, I'm going to buy Bitcoin. They're like, oh, it's a scam. Like, oh, it's a bubble. Oh, yeah, I lost so much money in it. Like, that's just the nature of the human being. I don't know why they're like that. But all of us in crypto are like, we have a completely different story. Those of us who actually got into it and stayed, like, we do not have those feelings. We're kind of euphoric because we just, the prices just keep going up. And crypto is here to stay, and it's still early. Most people do not know how to use Coinbase yet. You know what? In 5 years, everybody and 10-year-olds will have crypto. So you're still early on, even though the price seems like it's so high. Of course, better if you bought last year or the year before, the year before, the year before. Some people bought Bitcoin for 10 cents, and they are, billionaires now, frankly. But that trajectory is still the same. It's still a lot of time to make a lot of money. So put your questions and comments in the bottom. Like, that will make the algorithm good. So I want to really try to reach a lot of people, because I know I'm the one who can interpret the math, put it into simple language and explain it, and be here to explain things over and over without making you feel stupid. Because I know a lot of people are very intimidated by crypto. Even I live in Washington, D.C., and everybody here is a finance guru and really smart people, and none of them know anything about crypto. And they all give me the same dumb answer, like, oh, it's a bubble, right? Or, oh, well, I'm not really into that. I'm more into this. Like, they always answer like they know what they're talking about, but they don't. Who's that? Hi, Jack. Do you have any questions about getting Bitcoin, crypto, altcoins, or anything else? Because I got to run. I have an appointment. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will answer them. All right. So, hey, Jack. So that's it. Basically, just get some. You know what? I did that, and I still do it. Just don't, stop wasting your money on, eating out too much, this, that, and the other, and just put every little penny you have in crypto. And then, in 2 years' time, you can go eat wherever you want, whenever you want. Basically, that's, well, that might be an exaggeration, but it's probably true. All right. Okay, I'm going to sign off. Hit the subscribe button, the bell button, and all, and put a comment in the bottom. I really want to reach an audience. Like, this is not my job. I do other stuff, but I think I could help a lot of people. Ciao.